Hello everybody, what's up? Dennis Allen here. I am here kind of on the side of the road. I stopped in at a tire shop and they don't have any time for me today to do an alignment. I need an alignment on my van, but I also needed a plug, and he kind of just said, okay, come in Thursday 9 a.m. So I figured I'd get my tire plug kit out. I got this from the Amazons. Whew, let me show you. Let me flip the camera. I can flip cameras out. Hold on. I think. Look at that. This is the kit. I pulled the nail out with this. This is a little pokey thing I went chicka with. And then now what I'm going to do is pull this out. Plug that in. Can you see that? Maybe. See? That's what I did. In case you couldn't see it. I'm going to turn this. I don't understand the turning part. Whatever. And then hopefully it'll come out. Alright, so that stays in there. I never used to care about cutting these off, but I don't know, one pulled out one time. It was really loose, so the next time I did it, I cut it off and it didn't yank out. So cut it off, it just helps. Luckily, I am at the tire shop and they have free air, so I'm gonna go over there, get their free air, and that's gonna be it. So fix your own tires, get a little kit. It'll save you. One thing I don't have, which is on my list to get, Eddie Santos, you are going to have to recommend one to me, is a little a pump that could plug in. So there we go. I'm back on the road. Even with the air, I could have stopped at a gas station. It would have been fine. So, all right, everybody. Peace out. Dennis Allen and Eddie Murphy. What's up, Eddie? Say hi. Take it easy.